So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how any decision maker, or for example, any consumer, is going to decide under uncertain situations, right? So any event you take up, okay, there will always be some kind of uncertainty attached to it, right? So for example, you go to a cricket match. So you go to a cricket match, right? And you want to buy a ticket for this cricket match. So there are two teams, team 1 and team 2. You like team 1 to win, right? And team 2 to lose, right? That is whether you and your decision to buy a ticket, it depends upon that you should enjoy the game. And when will you enjoy the game? When your team is going to win. So there are 4 events, okay? And for example, I'm taking one more uncertain event, that rain may happen or it may not happen, right? So there are 4 events here. 1, rain happens and team 1 wins. Rain happens, team 1 loses. Or no rain, team 1 wins. And no rain, team 1 loses, right? So all of these 4, this event, this event, this event, and this event, all of these are called states of nature. These are called states of nature, right? And which are completely, and most of them are completely out of control. These are out of control of any decision maker. So if you are the one who is deciding whether to buy a ticket or not because you want to enjoy the game, and it may rain, it may not rain, your team may win or may not win, the highest possibility of you enjoying the game is that your team wins. For your team to win, there should not be any rain, then only game can happen, right? And all of these things are completely out of your control. So all of these things involve risk. And why do you think they involve risk? Because they are uncertain events. Because they are uncertain events. Is that right? So every time, whenever you are describing any risky decision, you'll have to worry about what are the different states of nature. Right. So this is the way we'll talk about the risky decisions. And but supposedly if I made a choice, right? So if I made a choice, I'll experience one and only one state of nature, right? So since these are the only 4 possibilities in our example, so whatever happens, it will happen only out of these 4 states of nature. Is that right? There cannot be any 5th state of nature in this scenario, right? In this scenario which we have talked about. So we have listed out all the 4 states of nature, and out of this only one will happen. Only one will happen, right? So okay, Now let's talk about. So do you know any probability that with what probability these states will occur? So in case if you are living in a rainy area, then there is a high probability that on any given day there can be a rain.